Oh, you see my crap in the back. There is no place without crap today. It is a wonderful snow morning today, and I'm about to go paint. See, we got a ton of snow outside. So, it's a nice snow morning out today, and I am watching Lifestyle Co. on YouTube, which I need not to. I just uploaded my last get to know me video. Oh, I forgot I'm showing you a sneak peek. Now, I haven't put up the mantle yet, so y'all will be seeing that, but this is the fireplace now that it's black. So good. And I love Lifestyle Co. Like their little organic desert. Ooh, look at the stove.
I think it's just a difference in look that you're going for. So in this case, we really wanted that kind of heirloom feel.
I am dying
because we're playing off
for an Italian stove.
We came up with this.
All right, this is not what we came here for. This is not what you came here for. So today's video will be about, of course, I did things backwards. No, I'm not even gonna blame me. I'm gonna say my mom did things backwards because when we put up the cabinets, and then after putting up the cabinets, you can see the green that comes off the wall so bad. This house loves green. Like if you look over here, can you see the green? Can you tell how it's green against the white that we painted? Now my husband painted and he got to that point and ran out of paint, I guess. So that's not done yet, but we will be doing that probably today. It's snow day, why not? But other than that, so when we put up the blue cabinets up against the wall, you can actually see how green everything is. My arm is tired. If you notice, you keep going down and down and down. My arm is tired. But if you look at the little kitchenette right now, you can see how green the wall is compared to the blue. So I'm about to paint the wall white just so that we can bring that pop of color back up, and so you can just truly get a good backdrop. So that's what you'll be seeing today. All right, so here's what we have so far, and as you can see, you can really tell that it's green back here. So especially look at the ceiling, it's the green wall. So we're going to paint this wall white. I'm trying to think if I'm going to paint the back wall. I don't know if I want to go into all of that. It will eventually need to be painted. I just don't know if I want to do it now. I may. And then that way, by the time I'm done with this side, then I can start back on this side and do the second coat. And then maybe sometime tonight, we can get started on putting everything back. Now, we did go out and get a second cabinet. Oh, crap. We have 15 inches to the carpet. Five and a half. So that's 20 and a half. The next cabinet is 24 inches. That's what sucks. So now we're gonna have to extend this out. And it was like the perfect place too, because we was gonna stop it right at the beginning of the door. I guess to the end of the door, which was the original plan. I think we still have enough flooring. It's okay, it's okay. We found, they have it at Home Depot. So if they need to get more, they have to get more. For this end. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So while hubby gets to work on painting the second coat, I start ripping up the flooring so that way we can lay down the flooring to accommodate the new cabinet we found. a pipe there, I think. I don't know.
Jesus.
Alright, since we found this rogue hole, which again, the random weird hole. So I found this quad foam. Supposed to be tough-laden elements. It's supposed to help you seal everything up. It looks like it's it looks like it was abandoned pipe, but I don't want anything coming through here. And I see a hole right here too. I'm gonna put some foam down for both. Hopefully this works. You can cut the foam in 30 minutes, it says. Okay. So of course it didn't work for me. So the spigot was clogged. So I had to end up calling in reinforcements and had my husband take care of it.
Yeah, I know you're smart enough to know how to Bluetooth it.
Mm-hmm. Y'all had a After 30 minutes, the foam is expanded and it's ready to cut. With the hole sealed up, now we can go ahead and finish the flooring so that way we can install the new cabinet. All done. All done. Take me out! Alright, so the current problem is that this one is just a scoot short. So now the question is, should we shim up? Or, because my husband says the bottoms are even here. So if we shim up, it's going to go uneven down there, but we can even it up here. But if we just shim here, so it reaches the countertop, is that weird too? I don't know. I'm 2 foot out. Actually 25, so we're good there. And then for this side, so dilemmas. For this side, is it supposed to go behind this lip here? Or is it just supposed to like push this back, butt them up against it, and then we butt up against here? I don't know. Alright guys, comment below. Should we butt it up against the pantry cabinet, or should we put the countertop behind the lip of the pantry cabinet? Really comment below. I don't know. Let me call her. So since this is my parents' kitchenette, I had my mom make the final decision, and she decided to have the cabinet butt up to the side of the cabinet and then the face to hang over, so that way she didn't snag or hit herself as she walked past. So with that decision cleared up, now it's time for us to go ahead and cut the countertop. Yep, messed that up. So now with the cabinet cut, we can bring in the new cabinet that we found at Restore at Habitat for Humanity for only $70. Ready for me to lift up?
You really had to. Just come in.
Just let it go down the steps?
It ain't going not the whole dial, the first wheels. I mean, really. You ain't even got to do that.
Thank you.
Got it. Uh-oh.
That's what I was gonna say. Will that work?
You gotta get out some more. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. You ain't got it.
What? It's on the step.
You should be able to lift it up now.
Hello, doggy. Hello. Hello, Needles. All right, good job, fellas. Aw, flannel and flannel. Look at her. Flannel, flannel. Hello, doggy. Hello. We have this outlet cover that I got from Amazon. We used it on our fireplace. That's why it's looking so rough. But she has outlets here. Where is it? Can you see? Yeah, the outlet that's there, we're going to cover up. So we're going to put this here so we can cover it up. We're going to drill a hole through the cabinet so that way they have the outlet inside the cabinet. Alright, so there you have it. Part 3 of our DIY kitchenette. On the next part, you'll see how we finish out the kitchenette. Thank you all for watching. If you like, comment, and subscribe. We love to have you a part of the Bougie Farmhouse, and I hope to see you again next week.